Hi, I'm Mandy Newton, Marketing Assistant here at DutchmenRV. Nothing can ruin your camping trip like severe weather, but there are items you can take along with you to help you just in case it is worst case scenario. Some of the items you probably already carry with you, like a first aid kit. You might want to get an extra one just in case and keep it in a severe weather kit that you can store in your pass-through storage. Another item is a flashlight. This one happens to be a scuba diving underwater light, so if you were to drop it in a mud puddle or anything, it's still going to work, and they tend to be a lot brighter than regular consumer brand flashlights. Another item is raincoat, rain suit, or rain poncho. In case you have to go outside, manually bringing your awning or manually bringing your slides or any other troubleshooting issues you have with your RV. A must-have is also batteries. This might be a little overkill, but you have every type of size batteries if you buy a case like this to store them. It can never have too many batteries. Other items you will want to have are nice. These happen to be hiking boots, but you can take shoes. Make sure they have a nice thick sole. In case there's a tornado that comes through, once you get out of your storm shelter, there may be debris. You don't want to walk over that with flip-flops. You want to have good hard-soled shoes so you don't cut up your feet. Another item that you will want, and you probably carry with you already, is water. You can never have too much water. This can help you in case water's been turned off, there's no electricity, you've got something to drink, you can cook meals with it. It's very versatile. Another item that is a must-have is a NOAA weather radio. Make sure you get one that also runs on batteries. It's going to go off whenever there's severe weather watches or warnings to let you know what's going on. Another item you may want to carry with you is a helmet. The number one cause of death with severe weather is blunt force trauma to the head and neck area. A helmet can help lessen the blow to your head and help your chances for survival. Another item you're going to want on hand is a whistle. In case you're in a storm shelter and it gets knocked down and you're under debris, you can blow this whistle and it's going to let rescuers know that you're there and they can dig you out. If for some reason you can't verbalize or get enough breath to blow a whistle, another item to have on hand is an air horn. All you have to do is squeeze it. Rescuers will be able to hear you from miles around. Thanks for joining us today to learn about items that you need for weather safety preparedness. If you want more details, we do have a blog on our website, DutchmenRV. There'll be a link in the description. And be sure to follow us on our social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we're now on TikTok. Take care.